Why the smart graft care is very important. Proper graft care after the smart FUE procedure from day 1 to day 7 is very crucial. Once the graft is planted, it takes about 48 to 72 hours to get or establish its own blood circulation to survive. All the microscopes need to shed to ensure all the grafts are intact in the design area. In glow jars, we emphasize hydration, ATP spray, and self-graft care, which has been taught by the glow jars team to maximize the survival rate of the graft at the recipient area. This is the result of Smart Graft Care Day 7.
It's nice to see my hairline back after so long, so I would like to say a big thank you to Glojas and the team.